Why do 90% of households use a microwave? Discover the sweet origin of this kitchen hero. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was testing a magnetron, a device used in radar systems, when he noticed something strange. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he experimented with other foods, realizing the microwaves could cook food quickly and efficiently. Voila! The microwave oven was born. Fast forward to today, and microwave ovens are a kitchen staple used for everything from reheating leftovers to cooking meals in minutes. Who knew a simple chocolate bar could spark such a revolution? What's your favorite microwave hack? Comment below, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.